This tutorial shows you how to make your SPSS data analysis more efficient using labels and value labels. All too often I see datasets with cryptic variable names and no value labeling. Without clear labeling, it can become a daunting task to keep track of variables and what certain values mean. I have the output for 3 variables and it is only guesswork what means what. With the SPSS data editor, go to the variable view. You will then see a column called label and another column called values right next to it. Every time you do an analysis in SPSS, the names of the variables are used as input and output when no label is present. Now simply click the corresponding cell of your variable in the label column and enter the desired name. For example, the variable SD02 will receive the label gender. You can use all the characters, spaces and numbers you want here. For value labels, you can click the corresponding cell and a small button with 3 dots in it appears within the cell. Click it to open the value labels dialog box. To define a value label, click the plus on the right hand side and enter a value and its meaning, aka the label. For my SD02 variable, which holds the gender for my individuals, I know from my codebook that 0 stands for male and 1 for female. Therefore, I enter 0 as the value and male as the label. Furthermore, I will add 1 and female. When this is done, you will, when working with those variables, have meaningful texts in your output that stem from properly defined labels and value labels. Give it a try in your next SPSS project, start using labels and experience the difference it makes.